So this is the Science Wiz cell phone microscope kit. This was one that was kind of a runaway winner when I posted all of my Astra preview pics. Everyone was really excited about this, so we got it into the store this week and I wanted to do a quick demo for you. So I'm at the store today and I wanted to do another quick demo. This was the cell phone camera kit that you guys really liked. That I showed you from the Astra show. So we finally got the kit in store and I wanted to open it up and kind of show you guys how it works. So you open it up. First thing is that the kit actually comes with a 40-page booklet. So this whole line of kits was developed by her name is Penny Norman, and so Dr. Penny Norman, and so she came up with really highly educational science books that go through step by step on how to do some pretty advanced scientific experiments. In the kit, you go ahead and open it up, and it comes with all this stuff. You've got little tubes, pipettes, everything, including the instructions on how to construct your own slides. There are also side kits that come with pre-constructed slides. I didn't pick them up this time, but I'm definitely going to pick them up next time now that I see kind of what comes in this kit. I think having some pre-constructed slides would really make it even better. So you've got your little cell phone microscope here. You got a cell phone. Just take any cell phone. It works iPhone. You don't even need an app for it. It works with any cell phone that you can have a camera on. And you go ahead and flip it to your camera here. So you got it on your camera, and you can either do it the selfie way or the other way. I'm going to go ahead and flip it to the selfie mode right now so that I can show you guys. Go ahead and clamp your little cell phone microscope on here, and then the light, this is just a light, so it's a really bright little LED light. The whole part of the microscope is in this little lens right here. So you just go ahead and pop this on, light it up, turn it on, and it illuminates. And then I was going to put a slide together for you, but kind of running out of time here, so you can also just use things that you're lying around your house. You won't be able to see the cells, but you'll be able to see it really up close and personal. So I just grabbed a little piece of a leaf here, and let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see. So you want to make sure that the camera is over the lens and that the light, there we go. Yeah, so as you can see, probably can't see quite yet. So as you can see, you're seeing really up close visuals of the leaf. I really liked it when I actually maneuvered the leaf to the edge, and so I could see in really great detail kind of the edge of that leaf there and all the different features on the leaf. Also good for this would be like onion skins, insect wings, that kind of stuff. So really cool kit. I just wanted to give you a brief demo since this got so much interest. It's $24.99 and I'll have it posted online for you with free shipping here in just a little bit. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon. As always, please like or follow me on any of my social media pages, and don't hesitate to send me any toy-related questions. I have 13 years of experience in the toy industry, and I'm a mom of 2. If you happen to be in Montrose, Beverly Hills, or San Luis Obispo, California, please stop by Tom's Toys and say hi. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep playing.